Hey guys, in this video we are going to dive into the Goodman and Amana dealer websites and how to use them and find out the information in order to fix your furnace. So stay tuned. If you're just stopping by for the first time, consider subscribing, hitting the like button, and share my videos. We're going to help a lot of people in this one. So in this video I'm going to show you how to find out all the manuals, all the parts, how to locate parts, and even a troubleshooting guide on any Amana or Goodman furnace currently out there, air conditioners as well. This is going to be basically peeling back one layer of the onion, and after we finish you should be real thorough on how to access the website and locate parts. So let's dig into it. One thing I'm going to remind you is I'm going to put the website links to Amana and Goodman in the description. If you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to share the a password and username that you can use to access these, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get into it. So I'm going to drop myself off the screen for a second, and we're going to show you how to actually find the website. Okay, the website for Goodman is Goodman dash HAC. We're going to go down here to, that's Amana's. Not the website I wanted. Okay, we're going to go to Goodman Partner Link. And then you're going to want to sign in. And then you're going to go to Info Finder Plus. Now, depending on if you're looking for a product, parts, or literature, you're going to need the model, at least the model number. There's some tools that will utilize the serial number, but just for this video I'm going to show you how to just get some literature based on the model number of the furnace or the air conditioner. So I'm going to select, I know a lot of the model numbers for Goodman and Amana, but GMS, you just start typing and something should pop up. So GMS 80%, 40,000, 80%. Let's just pick a standard furnace. So this is a GMS 8064BN. I'm going to pick that, and then it's going to ask me what kind of literature I want and what language I want it. So if I'm just looking for the install instructions, I click on that. Operations manual, parts manual, but let's just say parts manual. Just follow along. But well, hold on. Oops. We go. Installation instructions, search, see what comes up. Okay. Now view details. Now this manual will show you basically how to install the furnace. You got a consumer brochure, service manual, parts manual, technical information, user information. But let's say you want a service manual. Right here on the service manual for that specific furnace, troubleshooting pages 43 and 47. So let's go down there, see what it comes up. Still loading. Tells you how it works. Normal heat sequence, which is your operation. Maybe we can lower that a little bit. I'm going to take myself out of the screen. So basically it'll tell you how it operates. Takes the mystery out of it. it's going to give you abnormal information, heating, what everything means. Troubleshooting guide and all your LED codes, possible causes, corrective action. Really takes the mystery out of it. So if you can identify the model number of a Goodman or an Amana, and you can come to this website, you can pull up the manuals you need in order to fix it. But let's take a step back. We'll show you how to find the parts. That's probably the biggest one. So we'll go back here to the parts manual. These are all the model numbers here that this manual covers. And we'll go down here. Well, let's open it up a little bit, make it easier to see for everybody. So it's going to list all the parts. So let's say you have a bad vent motor here. Very common to have on furnaces go bad. I like to copy. And then I just open up another window, put it in the search bar, hit enter. Bam. There's the draft motor I'm looking for, $59.97. You know, it really doesn't matter where you source the parts from. You can verify the model number here is the same model number here, and you're good to go. Let's try it again. Another one. Let's say you need a pressure switch. Pressure switch. It's a minus 0.70 inches. That's how a pressure switch is rated. But let's just see if we can find that. Copy. Open a new tab. Just put it in the search bar on Google. Pressure switch. That's on eBay. Well, I'm not an eBay buyer, but you could buy it there. So if you can identify the model number and you can open up a website to Goodman and then open up a parts manual like I did and a troubleshooting manual, you'll be able to find everything you need. Now if you're dealing with a local supplier, they'll be able to get you, pretty much all the parts you need. Now, I know at the beginning of the video I said I was going to give you the password and username to access the Goodman website. I'm going to go ahead and just leave that into the description. That way only serious people are accessing it. It's not something that we want to get out. But, homeowners can access this too. The key is identifying the model and serial number, getting to the website, and, finding the literature. I'm going to take myself out of the picture here real quick. Service manuals, parts manuals, whatever you need. And it's going to tell you all the parts right here. It's going to tell you exactly where the parts are located and what they do. It really doesn't get anything easier than that. Now, once you can fix a Goodman and an Amana furnace, most furnaces all work about the same. The sequence of operations are pretty close. Some might have little nuances and timing changes and stuff, but they all work the same. So if you can kind of figure this out, you could probably figure out just about anything. So do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up and consider sharing it. This is a pretty powerful information. A lot of people are probably not going to be happy that I'm even sharing this, because now you can kind of figure out what parts cost. So if someone says, hey, you need this part or you need that part, this is an easy way for anybody watching the video to access parts and identify what they are. So appreciate you stopping by, and leave me some feedback in the comments if this was clear cut, precise information. I thought that this might be a good video to share. So anyways, I appreciate you taking the time to stop by and look at the video. I hope I made it easy. Once again, I'm going to go ahead and leave the website links in the description with the username and password so you can access it as well. Just a quick, simple little video, and I hope that this helps you fix your furnace. Thanks for watching.